Tomato soup recipe. Ingredients: 1 medium onion, chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 pounds of tomatoes, peeled and chopped. 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Salt and pepper, to taste. Fresh basil leaves, chopped, optional. Instructions: in a large pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the chopped tomatoes, broth, tomato paste, sugar, salt, and pepper. Stir to combine. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the tomatoes have broken down and the flavors have combined. Use an immersion blender or transfer the mixture to a blender to puree until smooth. Return the pureed mixture to the pot and heat through, adjusting seasonings to taste. Serve hot, garnished with chopped basil, if desired. Enjoy!